Hi, I'm Chef Angan. I'm making today delicious soup, chicken noodle soup. In Asia, people they eat in breakfast also. It's full of flavor, and you can cook the soup in 20 minutes. In US, you have to only bring the ingredients $8. In market, you get for this soup $16. So don't waste your money. This is budget soup. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Next Saturday I'm coming with another dish. But don't forget to make this soup after watching this video to your loved ones. See you next Saturday. Another delicious dish. Bye. Namaskar. Let's start the cooking. Heat the pot, add olive oil. The recipe is in description. Saute your chicken. Cook all the sides. Add your ginger. You don't have to chop it, just put it slice. Garlic. Cook it for a minute so you get the flavor of a ginger and garlic. Add 1 cup of water. When it comes boil, I am using chicken broth also, which I made earlier. But again I am making chicken broth. Add for the flavor green onions. Cook it for a minute only. Take it out. Now we have to shred the chicken. Season this chicken. Soya sauce, oyster sauce. Mix it well. Add pepper, white pepper and salt. Mix it well. Now start boiling your noodles. You can use whatever noodles you want. Fresh, but just see the instruction on the packet. Sliced mushroom. You can use any mushroom. Shiitake, white, slice, and baby spinach or pak choi. Your soup is ready. Give a good stock. Looks so good. Put your shredded seasoned chicken one side. This is full meal. Garnish with green onions. And give a little sesame oil. Oh my God! I taste this. This soup is super. I don't know what to say, but when you make, after watching this video, you will love it. And everybody will say, super, super.